Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're out and about. The snowstorm has passed, so we're gonna go do some toy hunting and shopping. And
especially because David deserves it, because he snowblowed our driveway twice. And the snow is as tall as me almost. Oh, 3 times?
yeah,
Yikes.
the snow is terrible.
Like the mountain. The mountain of snow is like
Yeah,
literally
the
like
snow
almost
drifts.
up to here for me.
They were higher than the bumper of her car, so it was bad.
And I'm taller than the bumper. Rude.
Here we go. Anything good here at Wally World?
Oh, yeah, I haven't gone very far. Wait, look, there's my
Oh yeah.
bride, and there's Dracula, and there's...
There's a ghost face killer.
Oh my god. So Jason and I came here.
Oh, they got the Splinter Shredder 2-pack. I just want the brothers, but
What are those action figures?
it's the Flash Thompson. Or Flash Gordon, I mean.
I was like, what? What's Flash?
Flash. They just repackaged them, I think. They might be a little different, though. Different, might be, not even be different completely, I don't know. That's cool. I don't know where it's back to this. We walked right past the aisle. Transformers. Space Jam still. Eternals. Shang-Chi still. Oh my goodness. We got Cyclops here too. I still have a ton of Eternals here. Superboy Prime. I don't know if I've seen that one. I still have not seen Lobo. Oh, okay. Wonder if it's just her. We'll have to scan them. Of course, that's the one we have. Still need that one. Yeah. No one wants her. They still have all of these. This is a different. Huh. I've never seen those. Must be new. Alright. Another Walmart. Let's see here. G.I. Joe. Little G.I. Joe. Just can't see what these are here. Oh wow. Yeah. We have Casca, we have Bo-Katan, have her. Tons of Eternals. Yeah, I wonder if it's the one that Vince needs.
That's what I was saying.
I'll look. I have a list.
You have a list.
Yeah, because he has one of the Jacksons now. After he told me he wasn't going to buy it till he had both. But... Oh, Miles Garrett. Already got him though.
It's okay.
Need some of these, but they're so expensive. It's like, ugh. But they're worth it to cover pops that are worth some money. Oh, Splinter and Shredder. And okay. Oh, the pop.
Haven't seen that one yet.
Oh yeah. Goes in the dark. Comes with a t-shirt. What size is the shirt? Oh, medium.
They have other ones right here.
Oh.
Extra large. 2X?
Ooh, that's us. That's a maybe. That's a maybe.
That's a maybe.
Alright. Park, Space Jam, He-Man's. Oh, that one's there too. That's cool. One of those. Anybody good?
Well, not that we already have.
Top picks Goldberg. Old man Goldberg. If I get Goldberg, I want a much younger Goldberg figure. Yeah, I don't want the gray-haired. Damn. Still haven't seen that RVD anywhere. Craziness.
Because this was filled with Eternals and stuff. So where did they go? Where's their clearance?
They might have moved them.
Or they're in there.
Could be. Well, there's one right here I can scan.
That doesn't mean all of them are.
I know. I'm just saying there's one right here I can scan.
Excited for me. I was like,
Found him. I haven't scanned him yet, but he's on clearance for $16.09.
but
None of them are marked.
hold on. Because some of them are ringing up as
Yeah,
seven.
they ring up less all the time. I gotta scan and find out. Alright, start off him. I already have him, but Curiosity. Full price. Unbelievable. And there's a full price too. Not today. Alright. If it wasn't ripped, I might grab that for Toy Hio, but dang, this Walmart is like empty. It's still here. Whole lot of nothingness. Looks pretty wiped out. Just like the rest of the store. Alright. Target. Something to collect your zone. Some turtles. King Kong. Wow, this thing is huge though. I got 3 of them. Catwoman, April, Burn-In, Irma. That's cool. That is cool though. If you were collecting those, I would definitely want that.
Oh, for sure.
Is this
No.
something different?
Huh? I want the Stay Puft, so I don't necessarily want that one.
I was wondering if that was what was on sale.
Oh, is it?
I don't know. Alright, tons of DC stuff. More DC. Still a ton of Eternals at full price. Those are gonna be there forever. Huh, yeah. Oops. Yeah, but you could buy this and then buy this and then switch it out because it's the same. I mean, in all honesty.
Yes, I don't understand what the big deal is.
Oh boy. Alright. No, a couple Star Wars. So used to saying no Star Wars that when you see a couple Star Wars, you're a little shocked. Oh, this one's cool. Jack Sparrow. Alright. Well, guys, back home now. And we're going to go over what we bought. Bought this racket on clearance, but I don't think he works anymore.
I think he might need new batteries.
I can't think. Oh, there he goes.
Okay.
You
gotta touch him the right way, David.
I was doing it wrong. I think we showed that. I know we showed this.
A $3.89.
Another clearance right here. Target was refusing to put him on clearance, so I got him at Walmart for $17. He's gonna have an ass fit now.
Oh my god.
You get done? So all we need now is Legion and Shadowcat.
Oh my god, it's starting.
Oh boy.
Cyclops.
That's one figure that could have been really good, and they kind of dropped the ball a little bit on his lower half, but we don't open it, so it doesn't matter.
Oh?
His feet are real small. People have had trouble with it.
What do they say about small feet, David?
They fall over when they're action figures. So then,
Small socks.
I don't think anything else was on camera, but it goes in this haul. Glow in the dark Oogie Boogie.
Oogie Booger.
Oogie Boogie.
The domes. Domes?
Yes.
Domes.
Oogie Boogie.
Dom, dom, dom.
And then Cassandra. Oh, and Sandusky. She goes, oh, I should have filmed, but I didn't.
Because I don't like to.
She found Tay Conte,
Tay.
our first AEW figure.
She's gorgeous. Look at those legs. Look at them. Like them.
We're planning on getting it signed this summer. So we gotta find Anna J's figure and get it signed too. And we might do, there's a couple others we might buy and get signed too. Not sure. Sammy Guevara I'll probably do, and then maybe.
Jake the Snake?
Oh yeah, he's not AEW though.
Oh no.
Yeah, Jake the Snake was just announced. He's gonna be there
I was
too.
gonna say he's gonna
We
be
already
there.
have his figure.
We have the Chase.
We have the Chase.
And we're getting that be signed.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So that'll be cool.
She's so freaking pretty.
She really is. And then we made a trade.
Just kidding.
We made a trade with a friend from the group. He has...
Jay. Well, I don't know if he wants me to say his name, so I said Jay.
It wasn't Jay.
No, Jeremy.
Oh. It's okay. He has a...
Or Jeremiah. I don't know how he says it.
Okay. Indazone Customs, we gave us a sticker. It's his Facebook page, I think. He does custom 3D prints and stuff that are really cool. But we don't open things, so they don't go with our stuff. I've showed it off in meetup videos before.
I'm sorry, I'm squeezing in the face.
We traded him an extra DTOF. It was just sitting around.
Because we we went to IKEA in Pennsylvania.
No, Michigan.
Yeah, Michigan.
Mm-hmm.
Because they had the DTOFs. And we bought them back when they were $60 because...
Well, we bought 6 of them.
Yeah, we did.
Right now we have 3 built.
We're planning on building them all, but we said we just didn't have the time or the space at the moment because we're still putting up our figures on the wall. I know you guys can see some in the background, but it's not
Eventually y'all will see all of it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a house tour, but it's
we're not
taking
done
forever. We're still waiting to get a window fixed in our house, and we can't put up the figures. And
there's
until
other
it's
things.
done.
Anyway, so we traded him a DTOF.
David's cutting me off, and I don't like it.
Sorry. Traded him a DTOF
Neat.
for a couple figures. Mandalorian Q900.
Boogeyman.
Which we'd seen him, but we just hadn't bought him yet.
Yeah.
We needed
I've
him.
seen him quite a few times. But it was worth it in the trade.
Yeah.
You know, I didn't have him.
Yeah.
You know.
And 2 others that we hadn't seen yet, but we had access to, but we were just kind of waiting out. Alley Viper,
Nice.
because he is a big G.I. Joe fan. He runs a G.I. Joe group.
Pause.
Sorry about that. She got a phone call she had to
Yeah.
take. But we got the Alley Viper.
The glare. There you go.
And then the final figure in the trade.
And in great condition.
Yes. Well, he's good for that.
Yeah.
I knew
Well, I
they would
never-
be. I knew they would be. The final is the B.A.T. So some Cobra figures.
And
he threw in an extra figure.
which is gonna go to the Jace.
This one is Jace because Jace is starting his little collection.
Thanks, Rick.
But yes, Jace has his second Transformer figure. I didn't look at who it was.
It was Soundwave.
Soundwave?
Yeah, I was like, ah.
But you looked at it already, I don't remember.
What do you mean? I never looked at the name.
Oh.
Until I turned, I was like, oh,
I
Soundwave.
just took a guess.
It looks like Soundwave because of the.
Oh, yeah. I didn't look at it.
I'm sorry. I know a little bit about Transformers.
I know a very little bit.
Little
too.
bit.
But, so that's really cool.
One of my friends, we'll call her, he is super into Transformers.
So yeah, that's what we got in this haul. I went from 2 things to a bunch of things, but that's how I like it. Wait, the toys. Action figures. All of the toys. These new Star Wars boxes don't like to stand.
Yeah, they're meant to be hung.
What?
Hang.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Do it.
And we will see you next time.
No, just kidding.